Welcome to the in front of me Tecno Camon 18, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the Play Store app, and then in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just open the application, tap to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap to OK twice, and then go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to green Apple keyboard. And now the process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of the keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.